Hello, how is everyone? Hope you had a good week. I'm on my allotment again and I want to show you today my potatoes. They grew already, so I'm gonna take some home. I've already managed to pick some out from between strawberries because they grow randomly sometimes somewhere. Uh, so I just leave them. I had some in here between strawberries and I found these bunch out of two plants. So that will be already one dinner for my missus, myself and my kids. And I've already took out one courgette from here. I'm going to show you that now. My first courgette, first official courgette. Good, isn't it? I'm really happy with that. That's good stuff. They grow way bigger as well, but I don't want them too big right now because as long as you pick them, then more will grow. But if you leave one, then that one will just keep growing, and everything else will just die off. So, yeah, that's a tip. Just pick your courgettes. If they are bigger than, I would say 6-7 inches, just take it out if it's first courgette. And in here, I just want to look through right now if there's any more potatoes or how big they are. That'll be second batch of potatoes. All, yeah, there you go. One. I use my hand because I don't damage any roots. Yeah, they're right. I'll take that. Let's see if there's any more. Yeah, they're fine. I'm happy with that. One. Take that out. Two. Three. There's fourth one. Just gonna dig it out. It's not that easy with your fingers. Ouch. Come on, come out. There you go. 4. Yep. So that'll be enough for now. Good nutritious dinner straight out of the ground. Put that back so they can grow more. Lovely. So I just literally picked 4 plants and I have how many potatoes? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15 potatoes. And half of them is the size of, I don't know, that big. Half of my fist, which is really good. Yeah. So now is the time to pick your potatoes. If you did plant them 2 months ago, you can take them out. No worries. They should be fine by now. As long as you did water them at least once a week. So yeah, hope you enjoyed it. Remember to weed as well. I've been weeding right now. There, all that, all those strawberry legs, flowers. That was all between my leeks. Now they have more water for themselves, so they can grow bigger. They look lovely. I've got loads of peas. I have to pick them as well. So as long as you pick them and you are on top of it, you're gonna have more. That's already second harvest, and last week I picked all of them. You can see there's more than, I would say, 30. There's loads. I took a few beetroots 2 days ago. I'm not gonna take any more. There's loads, and as you can see, I don't plant them individually like here. Most of them are in groups of 2, 3, even 4s. They're kind of like friends and they need company to grow bigger. They're not like sweetie or cabbage or anything else. I would say most of vegetables need companions. Like I had potatoes with the cabbages, and I think that's why they grow so quick. It's only been 2 months or less, and they are that size. I'm happy with how everything's going right now. In here, I've planted cucumbers and cauliflower just around it, and there's lots of Lisbon winter onions in that place, and I'm thinking of planting some pumpkins and lettuce in here as well for winter. If you need any like information on what and when to plant, or how to do it, or how often to water, literally just ask. I'm happy to help. I've got my own website as well, with clothing, so if you want to support my channel, please buy something, or even the guides. I've got free guides right now, how to boost your immune system, how to take care of your allotment, and about the soil, which is one of the most important topics in the gardens and allotments. They cost £3, £8, one of them I think is £9, but that's like 120 pages long. There's some charts, what and when to plant, how to do it, about raised beds, tilling, no tilling, when to sow something. There's loads of information, and as I was saying in my other video, it's really cheap for the price that I'm selling it right now. You've got my email in description. If you want, I can coach you on how to grow your vegetables. I'm trying to live off of it and quit my job. Honestly, I had enough of working for other people. I know I can sustain myself and my family without shops, without job, without school. This is all just, I'm not gonna say what, I think it's all a scam, and you don't need all that. You don't need, most of the time, you don't need doctors as well. As long as you eat healthy, you know what you're doing, and you have information or help from other people, you don't need most of the things around you. You should be able to sustain by yourself, have your own piece of ground, live off of it. If you can't, rent it or get it privately like I did. You can always grow something at home, and I urge you all to stay healthy, get rid of your bad habits. I'm trying as well. I've got a few bad habits that that are not good basically, but I am doing well, and I'm not gonna, I know I'm gonna do better, because I'm trying to stay as close to nature as possible, and I believe that all of us can do it. Support farmers, support your local shops. That's what we need. We don't need to support Tesco's, Asda, Sainsbury's, or all those big commerce shops that sell you old vegetables. Half of them are usually moldy. 40% of the food doesn't even come to shop, so there's waste of food. Farmers have to waste their time and money to deliver it. So if you want fresh food or meat, go straight to butcher, go straight to your local shop, buy fresh food, and stay healthy. As always, have fun and stay safe. See ya.